like everyone's really thrilled to go running today.
It's raining. They don't believe me that there's vitamins in rain.
You two look energetic.
Are you coming running? Kimbo?
You need shoes on.
You need shoes on to go running.
Edwin's ready.
Edwin is going to come running with us.
Edwin, are you ready? Edwin.
Hi.
Hey!
Yeah, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Edwin.
Are you coming running?
Yeah, of course you are. Edwin always comes running.
He does. Edwin's good that way. The rain has stopped. There is no reason not to run.
Hey,
Hey, aren't you coming running, Margaret?
it's Red Crayon. What's up?
Are you coming running also? You need shoes. Yeah, you heard me. Go get some shoes on. Kiddo.
Oh, wait.
Claire, what's wrong with your face? Is it a sunspot?
Yes. You see yourself, Edwin? Oh, your teeth look good like that. Where is anyone else coming running?
Yes.
Who?
I submissed. Yes.
Who else is running? Edwin, who else is running?
I don't know.
Well, yeah, neither do I. It's pretty dismal out.